Hello guys, how are you doing? In today's video, the job post the company called Econ. It is a number one Canadian infrastructure company in Canadian region, and we're going to see a multiple openings for all profiles for all departments for electrical, mechanical, civil and structural, and I am going to show you how many openings recently just yesterday, a day before yesterday, has been posted in this website, and I have given this link in the description box below. Please stay tuned. We're going to discuss and show you the requirement, qualification, all the stuff we're going to discuss right away, and I'm going to show a particular job post for entry level for freshers for electrical, civil and for structural and for mechanical. Please stay tuned. For latest updates, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the update right away as soon as I post the video. And I'm doing immigration video, job videos. I'm going to start from today, so don't forget to subscribe. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Before that, please share this video to the people who are immigrating or immigrated or are waiting for their jobs. As you can see here, there are multiple openings in this company because it is a number one Canadian infrastructure company. They have been got recognized, and you can see there are many multiple openings in multiple departments. Marketing, brand. It is posted on December 2, 2020, just today. And for the project coordinator, this for construction, Toronto, December 2, 2020, just today. There are multiple openings for semi workers, also CCTV inspector, drill rig operator, front end worker. You can see here all December 1, just day before yesterday they have been posted, and there have been opening for junior project coordinator. This is the profile we're going to see for the electrical, civil and all the multiple openings for the freshers. The location is Bournville, Ontario, CA. It's in Ontario, and it is posted on yesterday, December 1, and you can see multiple openings for all profiles for human resources, construction, business support services, information IT services, business support services, health and safety, construction. Mainly construction people can make use of this, and you can please share this job post to your friends, and please support us. More than supporting us, support your immigrants. Okay, now we'll see for the job post which I have said. This is the post which we're going to see right now. Okay, it is posted on December 1, 2020, as we have shown that, and the location, the work location is Bournville, Ontario, CA. The operating sector is nuclear power plant, for the project for a power plant project. So you can see the position overview. You can have a glance while applying for this. And as I said, for the position of junior project coordinator, it is highly motivated and self-starter who assist in various areas of our F projects. And I have applied it for this job, and if you're interested, you can start applying and share it to your friends too. People who are immigrating or yet to immigrate or already landed, please make use of this, so it will be a survival job for you guys. And I hope and wish you best of luck. And now we'll see the key responsibility. What are the roles and responsibility you're going to play? Communicate with RFR engineer team member and engineering manager to maintain the engineering scope of work, breakdown structure. Communicate changes or update for the engineering team to other project groups, that is scheduling, project control and construction. Organize meetings, internal client are required by the engineering team, and develop meeting minutes. And then reports on action item from engineering meetings for input to action item register. Coordinate requests for information to vendors, clients as identified by the engineering team. So these are the responsibility. Now we'll see what are the required experience and knowledge they have kept for this to apply. You, as I said that engineering degree in mechanical, electrical, civil and structural. You might be in any of this graduate on mechanical or any of this disciplinary qualification. If you have, you just click the apply button and just have a try, so that you will be a better chance to have this job. Sometimes if you got immigrated to Canada. And excellent interpersonal and communication, both oral and written, and strong interpersonal skills in communicating with a large team. These are the same as we know that, and we have played. If you have experience, if you don't have experience, if you have minimum qualification as they are required, you will be eligible for this. Please ensure that, please start applying, guys. If you are a fresher or you have experience, no other option, no none other matter, you can start applying right away. Even freshers can apply from any nationality of the country. You can apply it, guys. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. If this video is useful, please support us and share to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And I have posted a lot of videos, and I'm going to bring up all immigration videos for Canada, UK and Australia. Please consider subscribing for the latest update. Thank you. Thanks for watching.